Thanks for signing up to try demostory. In the last video, we showed you how to install the browser on Windows. And in this video, we'll show you how to use the browser, how to set up your demos, save them, edit tabs, and then share your demos as well. So the first thing to know about demostory is it is a multi-session browser, and each new tab is going to be its own session. That's like its own incognito mode window, own browser window, or new Chrome profile. And you can make as many sessions as you want by just continuing to add more and more tabs. So what I'm going to do is log into a couple of accounts and show you how we will build that demo out. So once I log in, we're going to see the password manager pop up. Again, this will make it much easier to log in when we want to go ahead and relaunch this demo and give this demo another point in time. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to log into Airtable again, but in a different session with a different user profile. So again, once I've logged in, you'll see the password manager pop up, and we'll just want to save that. So now I have the password saved for both my user Alec and my user Chris. The next thing I want to do is edit these tabs so it's easy for my audience to follow me along as I'm switching personas. So we just right click and come to edit tab. We'll name this one Chris. You want to apply to new tabs, check this box. What this does is now any new tabs that are created in this session will automatically apply the name you set. So if you're loading multiple tabs in that session, if you're staging reports, if you click on a link during your demo and it opens up a new tab, it'll keep the name that you've set for that session. And then we'll edit this one as well, and we'll name it Alec. If you have multiple tabs open in that same session and you forget to click apply new tabs, you can apply to all session tabs, and then I'll go ahead and update it for you. Okay, so now I've opened up multiple sessions. I've logged into the same instance with different users, and I want to save this demo so I can launch it easily when I need to give it. So I'll come here to my menu options and go to Save Setup As. This will ask me to create a JSON file. You won't do anything with this JSON file. The system's going to automatically create a shortcut. You just want to make sure you save this JSON file somewhere that it won't get deleted, but you won't actually ever touch these. So you'll go ahead and click save. You'll get a notification letting you know it's been saved. And if I minimize my browser, I see actually a new shortcut here with some other demos I've already built called Air Demo 1. So I can just double click that and it will relaunch the browser in the demo with the demo setup that I've just done. And as you can see here, I can build out as many different demo setups as I want, and then I can launch them whenever I need. So we've built demos out, we've edited tabs, we've added multiple sessions. The next thing I want to talk about is the demo share. So it works very similar to the demo save. It's an import-export that will allow you to create a zip file that you can send to your coworkers, and they can import the demo themselves. So you can then share standardized demos across the team. It will share the user credentials, which makes it a lot easier to log in, but you want to make sure you're not sharing any credentials for personal accounts or demo accounts you don't want other team members to use. So we just simply come here to Export Setup, Air Demo Test, and go ahead and select Save. You'll see this notification pop up. Once that's finished, you'll know that the zip file has been created. It usually is pretty quick, but if you have a really complicated demo, it may take 30 seconds or a minute to complete. And now once that's done, you can go ahead and share that file. So if I want to come here, for example, and let's say I'm going to import a demo that I've already set up. So here's a Salesforce demo I built earlier. I can go ahead and click open. It will close the browser as it's building this demo for you. So you want to make sure you have everything saved that you've been working on, but you simply hit yes. It may take, again, somewhere around 30 seconds, but once it's finished, we'll see the browser pop up and start to build that demo out for us automatically. So here we can see the demos already loading and the credentials are in there as well. And as soon as I log in, it'll take me to the URL that the demo was built out. So you can easily share these demos. We have a lot of users that are not only using this to help share in between the pre-sales teams, but also to enable their account executives or their SDRs to give kind of those basic 30-minute intros. So thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. We walked through creating new tabs and new sessions, editing tabs, setting up your demo and saving it, and then also the ability to share those around. So thanks again, and remember, build demos, tell stories.